This apricot tree is 15 years old and prone to open vase shape. Apricot is fruit species that bears three types of branches: mixed fruiting branches, short fruiting branches, and small flower buds. Apricot bears the highest quality fruit on the mixed fruit branches because it has highest leaf mass that fits the fruit. On mixed fruiting branches of 8 to 10 mm, there are the most fruits. On the thicker ones over 10 mm, there are significantly fewer fruits, and we will remove them to the base or on the stem, 1 to 5 cm. Cut all the shoots from the rootstock system to prevent waste of energy from the tree. To begin with, we will remove all the water sprouts from the inside of the canopy. Pruning apricot trees at least once a year is necessary in order to have a healthy plants. Pruning your tree not only helps it look better, but also stimulates new growth and helps the tree produce optimal numbers of healthy apricots each year. By trimming away unwanted branches, shortening the length of the remaining branches, and maintaining your tree properly throughout the growing season, you can have a healthy apricot tree that gives you plenty of fruit. Open up the tree canopy to allow more sunlight to infiltrate in the inner parts of the tree. Fruit needs sunlight to ripen. Proper pruning removes branches and leaves that shade out developing fruit while still maintaining enough leaves to generate the energy needed for fruit growth. Improve airflow through the canopy. Many types of fruit are susceptible to fungal problems. Increasing airflow through the tree canopy by removing excess branches and leaves can reduce fungal attacks. Reasons to prune fruit trees. Many trees in our urban and suburban environment benefit from regular pruning, but fruit trees in particular need regular and proper pruning. You can prune at any time of year, especially if there are structural problems or damage that need to be fixed. However, there are a few things to keep in mind during the different seasons. Winter pruning. This is usually the ideal time for serious pruning because the tree is dormant. Just don't prune your trees when the temperatures falls below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The extreme cold can cause defect in pruning branches. Spring pruning. Pruning out too many branches in early spring may cause excessive loss of sap and can lower fruit yields. Summer pruning. This removes leaves which provide food for the tree, slows fruit ripening, and exposes fruit to sunburn. However, it's a good time to cut out the water sprouts without triggering excessive regrowth. If you are not considered about fruit yield, pruning in the summer can slow down the growth of the overly vigorous tree or structurally prune a tree that has not been pruned in many years.